DUI and there are blood tests for DUI. I'll tell you, in South Carolina, our law enforcement mostly use breath tests. There's a lot of reasons for that. Breath tests are something that they have to ask for first. They're supposed to do it within 2 hours, 2 hours of your arrest. It's something that if you either can't blow or you're medically incapable of blowing, then at that time they can go to the hospital and ask for a blood test. But breath tests are less invasive, of course. You just have to blow into a machine. A blood test, they're actually going into your body, drawing blood. And the police cannot require you to do either a blood test or a breath test. They can ask for it, but you don't have to, unless, of course, they get a search warrant for your blood. If they got a search warrant for your blood, they can draw your blood against your will. If that's the case, you definitely want to give us a call, because any blood test case is one that we need to look at to see if they got the search warrant, if it's a good search warrant, if there's any issues with it, if they had a reason to get a search warrant. Lots of questions we have there, so we always want to carefully look at every case where there's a blood test. Sometimes we see blood tests in cases where they took you to the hospital, but you were perfectly capable of blowing into a breath test. You just went to the hospital because something happened to your hand. That isn't necessarily a reason for them to require a blood test. So if you have gotten a blood test in your DUI, please reach out to us right away. If it's a breath test case, we can help you with that as well. Those are more common. We see those every day. Blood tests are a lot less common in South Carolina.